This is unprecedented snowfall here at Logan International. As you can see from this aerial view, the critical impact is wide.
We've reached the vehicle. The occupant is responsive but hypothermic. We need support now. Get that door open.
We need more plows on the eastbound side.
Is everyone out of the vehicle? We have hypothermia risks.
Keep moving, the hypothermia is setting in.
I'm trying, the drift is too deep here.
We're almost to the ambulance, hang on. Sir, can you hear me? We're coming to get you out of the vehicle. Stay calm.
This is unprecedented. Hartsfield-Jackson is completely shut down as the blizzard intensifies. Emergency crews are struggling to clear the runways.
Keep moving, watch the ice patch on the left.
Almost there, hang tight.
Get the stretcher secured in the snowcat immediately.
Roger that. Battling the whiteout conditions now.
Stay with me, almost there. Keep moving. We need this area clear now.
We've got incoming patients from the regional jet.
Understood, bringing the ambulance forward.
Watch your step right here, man. We're almost inside.
Thank you, I'm freezing.
Let's get you warmed up and out of this storm.
Sector 4, we need the plow on runway 27 now. Visibility is near zero. Copy that. Moving in. We've got people trapped near the gate. We have multiple vehicles stalled on I-290 eastbound. Need backup immediately.
Sir, stay in your vehicle. We're getting the plow through.
The chaos here at Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson is overwhelming. Every runway is closed and the highways are at a complete standstill.
The blizzard of 04 brought Boston to a standstill. Logan Airport faced whiteout conditions as the storm reached its peak.
We're live over via Interstate 90, where this crippling blizzard has left thousands stranded. The highway remains completely shut down as the snow continues to fall.
We need immediate extraction at Sector 4. One male, severe hypothermia.
Sir, keep your eyes open, we're getting you help.
This is Chopper 7 coverage over the I-95, where a severe winter storm has caused unprecedented gridlock. Visibility.
This is the worst blizzard Michigan has seen in decades. The National Guard is assisting stranded motorists on the 94.
This way, hurry up! Watch out for the ice! We have to get inside now.
Command, this is Rescue 1. We have multiple entrapments. Copy that, Rescue 1. Hold your position. Be advised, conditions are deteriorating. Keep moving. Keep it slow. Sir, stay in your vehicle. We'll get to you.
As the sun set, the true scale of the disaster on the 290 corridor became clear. A massive blizzard has completely shut down operations in the Seattle area, leaving thousands stranded.
This is an unprecedented blizzard, paralyzing Interstate 90. Emergency crews are working tirelessly to clear the scene.
We need to move quickly. Get her secured. Copy that. Watch your footing on the ice.
It's just up ahead, through the snowdrift.
I'm opening the kit now.
We need to clear this intersection immediately. Everybody stay in your vehicles unless directed.
Grab my hand, we have to keep moving. Look, the snowcat, come on, hurry.
Dispatch, visibility is deteriorating rapidly. We need those plows moving faster on the main runway. Over. Dispatch, we have multiple vehicles stranded near mile marker 43. Requesting immediate tow assistance and another plow.
Stay close, we're almost there. Keep moving. Watch your step right here. Keep moving, do not stop here.
We've got a bus coming through on the left. Clear the way. Ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Get him inside, the hypothermia is severe.
We're live near Columbus, where this historic blizzard has brought the city to a standstill. Rescue operations are underway, but
The blizzard of 2023 crippled the Midwest, trapping hundreds on I-290 in what officials are calling a catastrophic event.
we're making progress on the center line.
Roger, maintaining speed, watch for ice near the taxiway.
We are live on the Kennedy where a massive pileup has occurred during this unprecedented blizzard.
I told him to slow down, I couldn't see anything.
My car is totaled.
This is the scene on the tarmac at O'Hare. The blizzard has created whiteout conditions, making travel impossible and extremely dangerous. This is the scene in Minneapolis, where the extreme winter storm has created dangerous conditions. Heavy snow and strong winds are
We are live over Seattle, where this historic winter storm has brought the city to a standstill. Emergency crews are facing massive challenges. This unprecedented blizzard has completely shut down Sky Harbor Airport. Officials are calling the conditions extremely dangerous.
Is an unprecedented scene at O'Hare, where the blizzard has caused multiple runway accidents and stranded thousands.
Command, this is Unit 3. We have 2 adults stabilized, requesting extraction.
Roger that. Snowcat en route.
Everybody stay in your vehicles. Can we get the left lane open?
Copy that. Incident command is advised.
We need everyone on the evacuation bus immediately.
Move, move, move!
This is an unprecedented scene over Cleveland, as the blizzard shows no signs of letting up. Thousands are stranded on the highways.
Sector Charlie, we need immediate support at mile marker 110. Multiple entrapments reported, heavy snowdrift.
This is Chopper 4 over I-95, where a catastrophic blizzard has left hundreds stranded. Emergency crews are struggling to clear the highway.
Grab my hand. Watch your step. The ice is bad here. We need to get you inside the truck now.
Keep moving, we're almost there. Are you okay?
Just a little further, ma'am. We've got you.
This unprecedented blizzard continues to cripple the Cleveland area. Road conditions are extremely hazardous, with
We are live on I-75, where a massive pileup got dumped in our shade just down the highway.
We have to move now. The visibility is dropping fast. We're ready, but the sled is heavy. Let's go, push!
the blizzard conditions at Logan have created a crisis situation, with crews working tirelessly to maintain visibility on the tarmac.
Stay still, we're almost there. We need to move them now. Watch the ice.
We are seeing unprecedented levels of snow accumulation on I-90. Emergency crews are struggling to reach stranded motorists.
Come on, grab my hand. We have to keep moving.
I'm trying. It's too deep.
We're almost there. Just stay close.
The catastrophic blizzard has brought Denver to a standstill. Highways remain completely gridlocked as the storm continues to intensify this afternoon.
have the victim secure. Requesting immediate transport.
Copy that. Bring him to the triage area.
We hit the ice. I couldn't stop.
Everyone all right? This weather is insane.
Residents are advised to stay off the roads as heavy snow continues to fall across the Buffalo area. Plow teams are working around the clock.
A critical situation here in Seattle as heavy snowfall and strong winds continue to cause widespread disruption.
We have incoming rescue vehicles. Get this area clear immediately. Move, move, move!
Watch out! Stop! Everybody stop! We gotta get this door open now.
It's completely frozen. Keep digging. I'll try the handle again.
Emergency alert. An evacuation is now in progress. All residents must seek shelter immediately. Do not attempt to drive.
Clear the left lane now. We need the plow through.
Copy that. Moving them now.
Conditions here at Logan, we're like these in our ring is here over this. We could just stay down there and run away.
We've got them. Get the basket loaded now.
Clear, let's go, let's go!
Highway 401 is completely shut down this morning as a catastrophic blizzard grips the city. Thousands.
Keep the path clear! We have incoming!
All right, everyone, single file to the vehicle. Move quickly.
Watch your step. Okay, get inside, quickly! We're clear back here.
The situation in Seattle is deteriorating rapidly. This view from our helicopter shows the widespread disruption.
This is unprecedented snowfall for the tri-state area. Even with these massive plows working, the snow is accumulating faster than they can clear it.
Everybody stay in your cars. We've got plows coming through. Move it, move it. Clear the road.
Get him secured to the stretcher now. Move, move, move.
Watch the ice. We're moving towards the ambulance.
Get these cars moving now. We can't stop the plow.
I'm trying. They're stuck. We need the tow trucks further up.
All available units to runway 4. We have a confirmed slide.
Copy that, Command. Visibility is almost zero out here. Keep the plows moving.
Get the wing sprayed!
It's freezing faster than we can clear it.
We need more shovels over here.
All right, I'm bringing the snowmobile around now.
Clear a path. We have hypothermia victims.
This aerial footage shows the intense conditions at Seatalk, with heavy snowfall and vehicles struggling to maintain control on the ice.
We need those runways clear now. Send the heavy plows to Zone 3.
Everyone, move quickly to the right. Keep moving.
We're freezing. Please help us.
This way, expedited exit through here.
We need to move faster. Get them inside now. Watch your step. Ice patch on the left.
We have to clear the road. Get to the ambulance now.
He's hypothermic. We need to move quickly. We are live over O'Hare, where the golden hour light is making this devastating blizzard look almost surreal. We need this lane clear now. Get that semi moved.
Copy, trooper. Moving equipment into position.
We got the door open. Are you hurt?
Grab my hand quickly. We need to get you warm. We got him secured. Let's move. Watch your step. There's ice on the ramp.
All right, everyone, stay close. We're almost to the Snowcat.
Help me with this door. Get inside quickly.
All right, push through to Terminal 4. We've got stranded passengers.
We're almost clear, Command. Advise the motorists to stay put. Control, we are making slow progress. Visibility is almost zero. We need those plows now.
Get that chain hooked up now. I'm trying, it's frozen. Watch out, another one's sliding.
The ongoing blizzard has brought the Motor City to a standstill. Emergency crews are struggling to reach the scene of a major pileup on the I-96. We are seeing a mass evacuation effort underway on Highway 401 as the storm shows no signs of letting up.
Sector 4, report status.
We're initiating evacuation, requesting immediate medical support at the staging area. We are live above I-35, where the National Guard is attempting to reach those trapped by the record snowfall.
We have a major fuel spill over here, Captain.
All units, divert to the south end immediately. I repeat, divert now.
All available units, we need assistance on the lower drive immediately. We have several stranded motorists.
Sir, stay with me. We need to get you to the ambulance now.
Watch your step, the ice is thick here.
We need those ambulances moved up immediately.
Check the semi, see if the driver is responsive.
This is live over I-94 in Michigan, where heavy winds and freezing rain have brought the freeway to a complete...
We need to get these people out of here now.
Copy that, moving up to the next vehicle.
We are live in downtown Detroit, where emergency crews are struggling to keep up with the treacherous conditions and mounting accidents.